everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in X account. So first of all, launch open X application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here X application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you do not have the account yet, you can go ahead and create the account for yourself. But if you already have the account and if you want to log in to your account, tap on the option login that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is enter your phone, email or username. So simply tap on this field. Now either enter your phone, email or username. Here I'm just going to enter my email. Now after you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forget password that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Otherwise, simply tap on the field of password and enter the password over here. Now after you enter the password, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in X account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.